Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here with another unboxing. This was last Christmas's present, the Atari Flashback 10. Now, I don't know if they're going to bring another one out for this year, whether or not they're going to do anything special for any anniversaries of Atari, whether or not they're going to do anything more than, but this is the Flashback 10. This is the only one that actually looks 90% like the Atari 2600, but yeah, I should have had put this on yonks ago. I mean, there's a little bit of a friendly jake between me and Retro Box Room with first one to get this on, and I completely missed the boat. Yeah, so we have nice mini console, instructions on the side, at games upside down, and some more gubbins. 110 games on this. Getting actually quite good. So there's a lot of games that I don't know which games have got paddles. Demon to Diamonds. Now this is the problem with it. You get the joysticks with this, but you don't get any paddles. So that makes Demons to Diamonds a little bit problematic to play, because you'd obviously because your little things on the bottom of the screen trying to shoot these demons to get diamonds out of it and collect diamonds. Hence the name. So let's get inside. Now this was an eBay buy to me at Christmas, so why there's pieces of paper in there, and at the moment it's not Christmas. So we get inside two wired P2 joysticks. I'm guessing inside here it's just standard as they used to be joysticks anyway. I actually figured out, because I bought myself a box, and there's a guy on eBay selling reproduction boxes for the 2600, and I wish to God I actually filmed it, because when you open this box, it's one of the Woody ones, the 6-switch Woody ones, and you open it up and there's bubble wrap everywhere, and it's obviously a box inside a box, but it's kind of, it's almost an entertainment trying to get into it, and it's like, get ready, as this page on the top, and the under of the bubble wrap, and then here's his box inside, and right at the bottom it says game over. Absolutely brilliant. I recommend getting boxes, reproduction boxes from him, especially 2600, they're absolutely brilliant. So player 2 joystick there, because you said P2. P1, because you've got extra stuff without getting off of your bottom, that's only probably about 4 foot or something, to actually switch things on and off. Power supply, very small 5 volt power supply, looks like USB, yep, USB micro for a change. Oh, there we have it. Has been, we have another, okay, so what was missing out of here? Right, best thing about all these is that they're a HDMI, and you can play HDMI, well, on a HDMI TV. Why doesn't that fit in there? Where's the HDMI cable? That's what's missing. The person's took the hit. With it being second hand, there's no HDMI cable, but that doesn't matter to me because I've got tons anyway. So, with that in mind, box out of the way. Look at the size of that. That is ridiculous. I mean, I have up here a 4-switch Vader. Yeah. It is quite good. I mean, you can't put, this panel bit will come off, the whole thing's black, yada yada. This is a project that I need to do. This really doesn't work well at all, but this I assume does. Left and right difficulty, A and B, select, which is similar to the spring one, reset there. The back, 2 joystick ports, the right and the left and the left and the right, but if it's that way around it's fine. Power, 5 volt USB and the HDMI, which is good, except there is a way of updating this. There's plenty of people online doing stuff. You can get an update, because this will, you can add extra games to it. I'm not showing you that now. I might show that on a future video if and when I want to. But with 110 games in this, what I'm actually going to do at the moment, let me have a look inside here. Before we do anything, looks like a positive screwdriver with my really dodgy screwdriver. And yes, before you say anything, yeah, I've got other screws. So it looks like 4 corners come out, positive Phillips, whichever way you want to call it. See, there are ways that people have done with the upgrades in having a USB splitter. So you need to put power in, but you also need to be able to put data in as well. But it's pretty strange that you have the micro instead of just a mini. So I don't know why they'd upgrade to that. In fact, nowadays you probably upgrade to USB-C and just be completely insane. So, last one out, and let's have a look. I'm not expecting much in here. I've had enough with the other ones anyway, the other flashbacks, but it's just a little board with a control panel board up there. Actually, we can undo that. Can we? I'll just pull that out anyway, I think. That's nice enough. Alright. Board inside. Yes, okay. I mean, you have got right there extra parts if you want to put another USB on there, I assume. It looks like you could probably put the normal 4 pins for a USB and make a USB socket inside here. Power it in as much as you want, but have a USB socket. After that, you could do with a USB to a SD card. Yeah, you could easily do that. I'm sure you could. But there are ways of doing this to like I said, to upgrade. See, one of those 3 there. I actually can't see this properly, but I need to zoom in a bit. There we go. No, doesn't really help. Caps, whether or not it's something or other for another external, maybe a light, LED or something. Don't know. Would be nice. It's a bottom. Yes, it is at the bottom. So yeah. Should we take that screw out? We've got 4 screws holding this thing in. So again, it's overkill on holding things in. Let's have a look what's on the opposite corner. I mean, there's absolutely no point in me powering this up, playing the games, because there's plenty of videos out there doing exactly the same. I'd rather show you what's inside. So if you've got an idea what to do with these things, at least you know what's in. Give you a nice close-up of the boards, so you could see the cell. Hello, I've just noticed something. Having that screw don't want to come out. There is a reset button there. Why is that little beauty there? So let's have a look. Opposite side, another chip. Nice little bit of soldering. Nothing over the top. Nothing to cry about. See, actually, is these just the earths? All 3 of them. I don't know. There's so thin traces on these that I just can't. Is there a trace coming off of them all 3? I honestly don't know. I think there's one in the middle. There is slightly one to where you see the left-hand side there. Maybe the right-hand side one out there is the earth. I don't know. It kind of baffles me a little bit that they do things like this. And there's so many little upgrades that they could do, or just throw everything on the board at once. I mean, what's a rock chip? Or is that a rack chip? Yeah, definitely a button. So yeah, nice clean board for a change. That's good. Not extra flux or whatever all over it. That chip's obviously being heated on, probably balled or whatever. Balls underneath it, heat up, and then they just melt into where they want to be. Sort of soldering I really can't do. Actually, these on the joystick ports, they're really quite thick. And they're not held in by anything else either. It's just those, yeah, extra thick, yeah, parts there. So it will take quite a bit of bashing. You'd have thought there'd be something glued down. It might even be glued to the board potentially. Don't know. But yeah. Top half will just have the switches on. You can see there, switch, 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 switch. Doesn't look like it's an LED, which would have been nice if that part there would have glowed up with something. Nah, that's got a screw straight through the middle of it. But yeah, AR3060 mask 4.4. Oh, and then typical Atari fashion, this front part will come off. But I don't want to in case I break it, because it looks like it's tabbed in there, pulled tabbed in there, there. So I could potentially... What? What? That bit comes off as well. Okay, if you ever took a 2600 to pieces, this panel bit does come off, and that actually does come off. Cool. Okay, I don't want to take it off now, but yeah, you can see there it is coming away. Cool. So there we go. There's the Atari Flashback 10. We've seen videos, we've seen plays before anyway, so there's a lot of games on here. I'm not going to go through them now. It's just a teardown. Maybe we can play another day. So that in mind, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Quick teardown of the Flashback 10. Follow me on social media. Help me if you can. And if not, I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.